I recorded all that and stopped that video, y'all. I hope I can connect these two videos. I better be able to connect these two videos. Okay, okay. So we're just gonna take our bigger creek seeds, put them in our hand a little bit. We're gonna put 5. Okay, you guys. And sometimes when you mess up, it's okay. It's okay. You get a chance to start over. That's why don't listen to anybody. Start early. So this is 6 seeds in my hand. And all pepper seeds look the same, y'all. So be careful when you plant your pepper seeds. These are the California Wonder Peppers from Baker Creek. And we're going to put 6 in this cup. Probably shouldn't put 6. You know, we're trying to not make the same mistakes we made before. So but then again, we don't know. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and go with my gut instinct. I'm going to lay 6, okay? Always lay the prettiest one in the middle. I'm going to put that one right in the middle. You just look nice and healthy and bright. Can y'all see that one in the middle? It's nice and healthy and bright. Like a tooth that ain't been pulled or got a cavity. So I'm going to go straight across with 3. See, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to go 4, 5. 4, 5. We're going to do 5, y'all. Put this one seed back. Never just think a seed is nothing. Always put it back in the bag, okay? Would you want somebody to throw you away because you won't use that day? No. Okay. So, California Wonders going in the red cup. So now we have some pre-made soil. You guys, look at this table. I'm starting over. I'm starting everything over. Yep. And I'll tell you about everything that's on this table in just a little bit. These are pre-made pots. Remember all the little pretty plants that were in there? They're gone. They're gone. I accidentally killed them. So, but they're gone. And we're not going to fret over it. We're going to start anew. Okay? And today is what? February 23rd? So for those who have not been following me or those who are new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Click the bell if you want to get all the recent updates and see everything that's going on this table, okay? Because we got a lot going on. We got a lot to do tonight, okay? I've been working. I worked all night last night. I did a double, and I have not been to sleep, so forgive me. I'm going to have a little grapefruit juice to moisten my throat to keep talking to you guys. So we put our 5 seeds. See it? 5 alive. 5 alive. And I have some pre-mixed soil in here. I did another video on how to conserve the space in this container from the Dollar Tree. So you don't have to use a whole bunch of soil. You can put your used cups like these, which I don't care for, from Jiffy. Sorry, I don't like these. Because once you water them, they just get soggy and they break up. But some of them hold, just not for me. Okay? So I'm going to take a little bit of soil. You see that? We already put out things in the bottom. Put out little slits in the bottom. And we're just going to take a handful of soil and lay over top of that, you guys. Okay? Just like that. The good thing about gardening is you always get to redo. If you mess up, do it again. That's why you start early. People are like, no, don't start early. You're doing it too early. You're doing it too early. Look what happened. I fried all them daggone plants like chicken wings by accident. The greenhouse did it. I ain't do it. I was at work. But 100 degrees below zero and the greenhouse is 1,000 above. Okay? So be careful with your greenhouse because that sun, I don't care how cold it is outside, the sun will light up your greenhouse like a Christmas tree. So this is our first plant, you guys. from the second batch. And I know my Skinny Boy Randy gardeners are following. Again, these are our California Wonders. Okay? Just that simple. Now, we have to remember to label. These are our labels we got from Dollar Tree. And this is one, since everything, I had to restart over. These are the labels that I took out of everything, I'm just starting over. You just get your alcohol wipe like this and wipe off the old markings. And you have a brand new label. So that's what I like about these Dollar Tree labels too. You can keep reusing them year after year after year after year after year. Okay. So, we're going to dry this off. We're going to mark it California Wonder. It's not after midnight yet, right? So we're going to make sure we give the right date. February 23rd. And then we also want to know what company we're playing. Baker Creek. So, California Wonder, Baker Creek. I'm going to put a P at the top. This is how I do mine. For pepper. Then I'm going to do Cali. Like that. Wonder. P, Cali, Wonder. And I know that P in the top means pepper. And then on the back side, I'm going to put the date. 2/2/3/20. February 23rd, 2020. Love you guys. Thank you for being here. And then we're just going to take it and place on the side of the cup all the way down. And they fit in there so perfectly, you guys. So perfectly. Glad you're here to watch this. There we go. Our restarts. We cut our slits at the bottom. February 23rd, 2020. Peppers, California Wonder. Okay? So I'm just going to put this over here. I'm going to put this back over there. And then we're going to do the golden gal. Again, I already pre-did the soil. So I don't have to keep you guys very long. You saw the way I did the first one. Now the rest of this should go pretty smooth. There we go. We got 5 seeds out. 1. Right in the middle, that pretty one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oop. 5. We're going to do 5 in each one. That's all we're going to do, y'all. And we're going to save our seeds. Succession planning. Because if it don't work out, we can keep playing. Okay. And then again, we're going to put some more soil on top of that. Some more soil on top of that, just like that. And press. Just a little bit. We're going to get our marker. First of all, we're going to cut our drainage holes. 1, 2, 3. Cut our drainage holes. They don't have to be perfect, y'all. So, these are our Golden Gal Wonder Peppers from Baker Creek. Okay? So, let's label. And to save time, I'm not going to use a whole bunch of alcohol wipes. Just going to get some of these more tabs, all again from the Dollar Tree. All these from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Budget gardening. Okay. Alright. And then we're just going to put P at the top for pepper. Can you see me, you guys? Put P up here for pepper. You can put a period if you want. And these are the Golden Gals. Like my show, Golden Girls. Golden Gal. Okay? Just like that. P, Golden Gal. And when you're in your own garden, you can label stuff the way you want because you know what you planted. 22320. Slide her right all the way down inside. Just like that, y'all. Planted another one. If you fail, it's no such thing as failure. We all make mistakes. We all make errors. We all get busy. We all forget. That's what we do. So, here's some more Keystone Resistant. And these some old seeds from last year. Oops, 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 oops. These some seeds from last year, y'all. We're gonna see if they grow. These Keystone Resistant from Valley Green. Let's put them in here. So we can get them out. Like I said, these are old seeds. Old seeds. But they ain't that old, but you know what I mean. And there's 6 in here, so we're just gonna use all 6. 1, 2. Like I said, 3 across and 2 across the other way. And all of these look very, very nice though to be old seeds. And I'm just gonna press them down a little bit. You see them in there? Just gonna press them down. Add some of this pre-moistened potting mixture. Just like that. Just like that, y'all. And these are our Keystone Resistant Giant Peppers. Keystone Resistant Giant Peppers. I may have a label already made with Keystone, but then again, the dates on the back, we ain't got time for that, okay? So let's just go ahead and do this. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put a P at the top. Keystone. Then Giant at the bottom. I did it. I made it work. Pepper, Keystone, Giant. And then today's date. Slide it right on down in there like that. And let's move on. Okay. Alright, you guys. So from this point on, we're going to use the red cups. We've already been using the red cups, but we're going to move it a little faster, okay? So I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back. Hopefully I can edit it and make it work, okay? Okay. See you in a minute.